How's it going, everybody? Raph here from B&C Camera. If you guys are looking to take your photo and video game to new heights, look no further than the DJI Mini 3 Pro. We're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys today and show you what's inside the box. Without further ado, let's go ahead and do it. Boom, what'd I say? Real quick and easy, right? So what's in the box? You got the drone, you've got the controller, and you've got the little accessory stuff. All right, let's go ahead and get into the nitty-gritty with the new DJI Mini 3 Pro. DJI Mini 3 Pro features 4K, 60 frames per second, which is pretty insane for a drone. Compared to the original DJI Mini 1, that drone only had 2.7K at 30 frames per second. So these guys have really come a long way within regards to the overall resolution and quality of videos. Okay, another cool thing about the new DJI Mini 3 Pro, of course, is the controller that comes with it if you buy the Pro Edition, obviously, which is great. I mean, if you look at it right here, you don't have to plug in your phone anymore, which is a godsend because that was always such a pain in the butt, especially if you're wanting to listen to music, you know, want to just hang out, have a nice chill day just to fly the drone around and get some really cool footage. You can actually listen to music on your phone now, and you could just fly with this guy right here. And of course, since I was talking about my older drones, let's go ahead and boom, compare it to the older drones. Sheesh. Compared to the original Mavic Mini that came out many moons ago, this thing is basically, at this point, a flying petrodactyl, if you will, in terms of overall quality and resolution. This guy's been through a lot. So real quick, let me just compare the controllers, old and new. Had to hook up the phone, super annoying, right? Now, you don't have to worry about that, which is nice. All right, let's go ahead and do a compare and contrast here with the old and newer system. It's just, this is so cool. Okay, so the cool thing that DJI first did, of course, now with the newer DJI Mini 3 Pro, is that it has sensors. You see these guys right here? There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and I believe there's also 2 in the bottom as well too. So now that DJI has went ahead and made sensors on the Mini 3, you can basically do what's called your master shots. Basically, the drone will fly automated by itself, and you can basically have it do whatever you want. See, if you want it to spiral around you, you can have it rocket behind you or in front of you as well too. There's a lot of really cool things and features you can do now with the Mini 3 Pro. At $999, now is a great time to get into drones more than ever before. You've got all the built-in features with the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It comes with the controller as well too, so you really can't beat that. And yeah, thanks for joining us with this unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Feel free to like and subscribe. And if anything else, we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.